In Arizona, the desert heat gets intense. This is especially true in the summer when the heat becomes draining and sometimes even dangerous. As hard as it is for you to function in the summer, it's even worse for your AC unit. Your AC unit is a mechanical system that utilizes several different components. Arizona's heat can damage several of those components, leading your unit to malfunction. To help prevent this, we want to alert you to the most common emergency repairs and, when possible, how you can fix them. 1. Air filter. Your air filter traps contaminants in your airflow, ensuring that your air conditioner blows clean air. When your filter gets too clogged and dirty, it causes indoor air pollution and damage to your AC unit. You can prevent this damage by cleaning or replacing your air filters regularly. Depending on your filter, you should do this either monthly or every 3 months. 2. Monitor the thermostat. When you're facing extreme heat, check to make sure your thermostat is on its correct setting, turned on and level. To help keep your thermostat level, you can cover your windows to prevent sunlight from increasing your home's temperature. Also, make sure the inside of your thermostat is clean. If it's dirty, the thermostat may freeze. A frozen AC unit will result in you needing to call an emergency air conditioning service company. 3. Refrigerant leaks. A significant problem for air conditioners, especially in the heat, is when refrigerant and coolant leak. When this happens, your system won't function properly. Its most common symptom is temperature fluctuation. Unfortunately, these leaks can originate in several places within your unit. It's difficult to isolate the exact source in most cases, so if you suspect this is happening, call our emergency AC repair service. 4. Compressor problems. The compressor propels refrigerant through to the coils, leading to heat exchange. 2 primary problems are likely to arise with compressors and coolants. The first problem originates in a lack of coolant. If there's not enough coolant, the compressor will heat up and seize up. However, if there's too much coolant, it will return to the compressor and freeze it. Both problems produce the same effect. If your compressor doesn't run, the coolant won't reach the coils. Therefore, your AC system won't heat your home. 5. Clogged drain lines. Similar to an air filter, your drainage line can collect dust, dirt, and other blocks. When this happens, your drain pan fills up, which makes water leak out of the line. Water leaks in your AC system pose a significant threat to your system. Once again, if you suspect a leak is affecting your drain line, it's best to call a professional HVAC emergency service. 6. Capacitor issues. Capacitors serve a vital role in your air conditioning system. There are 2 capacitors in your system. First, there is the start capacitor, which jolts the motor to start it running. Second, there's the run capacitor, which continues to shock the motor to keep it running. Once your motor is running at peak speed, your capacitors stop their jolting. However, in an Arizona summer, your capacitors run for a significant portion of the day. Eventually, they just run out of energy and burn out. For an experienced emergency air conditioner repair technician, replacing either capacitor is a straightforward job. However, replacing capacitors can quickly become an electrical hazard for a layman. As you can see, many issues can plague your air conditioning unit. Some of these are easy to detect or prevent. Other problems, though, sneak up on you before you can do anything about it. Sometimes they're beyond your control and will require emergency air conditioner repairs. If you want to avoid those repairs, then sign up for our maintenance program or request service now. Call 480-571-7219 or request service online today.